Hey everybody, Brandon here. Happy 2022. I hope everybody is off to a great start this year. I hope everybody has their New Year's resolutions lined up and they're on the right track. I hope you've set some fantastic goals for 2022, both personally and professionally. And lastly, I hope you didn't pay too much in taxes, which is what I want to go over in today's quick video. I'm going to be going over the three big things that we did last year to minimize our taxes and kind of the game plan of what we're looking to do this year and why we chose to do that. So before we hop into here, if we've been having a one-on-one conversation, if you listen to these videos, I want to turn that into a two-way conversation. Hit the button above, schedule a call with us. We'd love to learn more about your investing goals and how we might be able to help out with that. All right, so jumping into it, the three big things. Now, there's a bunch of small things that you can do to offset your taxes. I'm not really interested in that today. I don't want to do an hour-long video going over each little checklist ninja trick that you can do to help minimize the taxes. I want to go over the big things because ultimately, at the end of the day, we're all very busy, and focusing on these three things are going to be able to provide the most value to you in the little amount of time possible. So the number one thing that we did this year to minimize taxes was invest in depreciable assets. This is why we buy commercial property. We're able to write off multiple six figures this year off our income on money that we did not even spend. We bought commercial with using other people's money, and the people whose money that we use to do it are also going to get to write off that investment off of their income, saving them tons of money in taxes. This was the number one thing we did this year to reduce our taxable income. When you are purchasing a commercial property, you hire a firm, they'll do a cost segregation study, and they can forward depreciate a ton of stuff in that apartment complex where the lifespan of those items is not going to be the full 30 years that the IRS gives you. Now, you can forward depreciate a lot of things, and there's huge value in that. So number one, invest in depreciable assets like commercial multifamily real estate. Number two, we took our budget of what we plan to spend in 2022, and we went ahead and we bought some stuff that we knew we were going to buy. So this is a great tool at the December. If you have a marketing budget, salaries, bonuses, commissions, anything, software subscription, go down your list of all the things you're getting charged on a monthly basis. And if you haven't done an audit, you need to. I highly recommend it. I guarantee there's some nickels and dimes that you're missing that you're getting charged for that you shouldn't be, that you can clean those up. So go ahead and do an audit. But all those things add up. And if you're paying a monthly subscription for something you know you're going to be using next year, go ahead and buy a year's worth of it in December. And you can go ahead and offset that, and that spending can be reduced as a cost of doing business off of your income, and you can write it off. Again, there's tons of things you can do. Look at the biggest things that are part of your operational costs as a business and go ahead and front load those in December so that you don't have a January, February, March, April, whatever bill that comes soon. So that's going to be huge. Good little trick there. The third thing we did is we hired an accountant that specializes in our industry. So this is really important. The best thing you can do to offset your taxes is hire an accountant that is familiar with your industry. If our accountant didn't own real estate, if he didn't work with other real estate contractors and builders and investors, we would not have hired him, quite frankly, because they don't have the specialized knowledge that we need to get the maximum tax deduction. All right, guys, that's it for today. Quick video. Those are the three things we did to offset our taxes in 2021. The questions you need to be asking yourself is, what am I going to do this year to offset my taxes? How much money am I going to make? And what assets do I need to be investing in for depreciation? What are those operational costs that I can front load and take off the burden for 2023 in November, December of this year? And is my accountant the right accountant? I'll leave you that today. See you guys.